Riley Kamora, today we're making an iced coffee. Hope you enjoyed the video. What we need is some hot water in our kettle, which we've got some right here, but we might need to fill up a little bit more. So get a bit more hot water using this new tap. Hopefully the kettle is strictly aligned to this. Gonna fill it until it's slightly under the max, which it is right now with a water line. As you can see where the max sign is. Can't really see it well because it's a bit faded. We also need milk, a glass and a cup. The cup's used for the coffee. As you can see, here's the coffee we're using right here, Nescafe Original. And some ice cream to top it up. Here's the glass that we're going to use, as well as the spoony as well. Two spoons to work. And the water is fully boiled. The pour it about halfway. And mix it to brew the coffee. Do this about 2 to 5 minutes. I'll see you in a couple of minutes time. Concoction in the fridge after 5 minutes of brewing. Try to fill it with water and put it in the freezer. Turn the tap here. Turn off the tap. And I'll see you when it's in the freezer. Ice cubes freeze for a few hours. And I'll see you when they're done. Into here. Prepare the iced coffee drink. As you can see, we're iced in there now. Pour our coffee. Top off with some milk and ice cream. That melt, or at least soften. And there you go, our iced coffee. Hope you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all later. Bye. Here at the front product looks like with the ice cream melted in and the ice stuff. Looks pretty good. Let's have a try of it. Here's a spoon, stuff. Tastes sensational.